Who want a bite of this egg? I'll think about it. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to Candace's World Candy Lands. Happy Monday. How's y'all weather? Here, the rain has stopped. I'm eating some grits and some shrimp and 2 boiled eggs. And today, we'll be discussing Gemini as a child. So, stay tuned, because it's coming up in a few. So, how's y'all Monday, the first day of the week? And Thursday is Halloween. So, if y'all haven't been looking at y'all scary flicks, this week is the time to do it. I know you can look at scary movies all year, but what's the fun of it when you can look at it during the Halloween month? And don't get me wrong, I have a DVR, so if I miss it, I can record it, but I'm looking at them as they come on cable. I forgot my drink. Something light, something slight to put in my stomach. A light breakfast. Eggs is a protein, so I ain't need no meat for my Monday breakfast. But I do have shrimp. That's also a meat. It's a seafood meat, but it's a meat. I ain't want no sausage or nothing like that. I could deal with that. But being though it's early in the morning, guess what I got on my DVR? Y'all should already know. Fred, he playing. I can look at him over and over. I can look at Fred over and over. And now that they got these Christmas movies on, because Hallmark is my channel. But then Christmas movies taking over, and I ain't ready to look at Christmas too probably the mid of November. Like when they get towards Thanksgiving, I start looking at Christmas movies, like the middle of, a week before Thanksgiving. Like I said, I ain't in no rush for no holidays. I'm taking it day by day and enjoying the moment, because I know I have to be real excited. I have to be excited. Put my decorations up November the 1st. Put my Halloween stuff up October the 1st. Put my tree up November the 2nd. Cook Thanksgiving 2 or 3 days early. No, I'm doing it on the days it occurs. Y'all, look at that. But look. Where am I? And this the part that nobody don't understand. Because you know when you used to doing something, people used to you doing something over and over and over, they don't see the change. So everybody saying, yeah, okay, you gonna cook. I said, I'm gonna make a believe out of you, because I'm not gonna do it. So let's get into the readings. Geminis, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Brain and Candyland. They said, let me mark this. That way I don't have to do that. Okay, I was just talking about myself. But they said they are social and enjoys. Oh, wait a minute. Let me say that again. Gemini kids, wait a minute. They are social and they enjoys being around other children their own age. They have endless energy. I believe that because they talk. They have a sense of humor and a strong leadership skills, and that's at a young age. So that do follow them on. They say they also popular little ones and well liked. I agree with that. And love the outdoors. They say that, and I believe it. Geminis, they are good people when they ain't thinking outside the box. They are. And they just talking about the children. But I believe it because the children attitude carries over to your adult ways. And they're a little witty. But it's a good way. But over and over, I get along with Geminis because they are brilliant. They are very brilliant. I never met a dumb Gemini. Never. Never. So, Geminis, and I love Gemini kids. But they're so observant. They want to know everything. And they try to make sense out of everything you say, even as a little child. And that makes them smart. Because if you don't ask, you will never know. So I applaud Geminis all the way around. I really do. But I'm not going to keep y'all. Let y'all finish y'all work week. And like I always say, wait on. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I see you soon with another mukbang. Deuces.